Good morning, OHS students, faculty, and staff. Welcome back. We are so excited to see you and to start a brand new school year together. I hope you had a great summer. Whether you traveled, relaxed, or spent time with family and friends, I hope you made memories and feel ready for what's ahead. Before we dive in, I'd like to take an opportunity to highlight the administrative team here at OHS. This year, Ms. Mingo and Ms. Quiros are returning, and we have two new assistant principals, Ms. Khalil Hairston and Dr. Barback. Remember, each of you are part of a house, and your house is based on your school counselor. This house team will be your go-to for support all year long. So, if your counselor is Ms. Knowles or Ms. Montoya Uribe, you are in House 1, and your AP is Ms. Mingo. If your counselor is Ms. Cuddy or Dr. McFarland, you're in House 2, and your AP is Ms. Khalil Hairston. If your counselor is Mr. Corporon or Mr. Tavares, you're in House 3, and your AP is Dr. Barback. If your counselor is Mr. Brooks or Ms. Galindo, you are in House 4, and your AP is Ms. Quiros. You'll meet with your house teams next week during assemblies so you can connect with your team and learn more about each of the houses. Last week, I shared my vision for OHS with the faculty and staff, and I want to share it with you as well. Our vision is to ensure that every student, regardless of their background, has the access, support, and opportunities needed to graduate, ready for college, career, and a future that they choose. Our goal is for OHS to be a place where everyone feels safe, supported, and encouraged to go after the future that they choose. And that starts with showing up, being present in school, and in every single one of your classes. This year's attendance theme is Here Today and Ready for Tomorrow. It's a reminder that every day matters. When you're here, engaged, and giving your best, you're building skills and habits that prepare you for tomorrow. Now I want to share an important update about the New York State law regarding internet-enabled devices during the school day. This includes personal laptops, smartwatches, cell phones, and earpods. The easiest way to follow this rule is to simply leave these items at home. But if you bring them to school, they must stay in your locker during the day. Devices cannot be used in the classrooms, hallways, the cafeteria, the library, the bathroom, the guidance suite, or in any of our common areas. This change is designed to help us all stay focused, present, and ready to learn. Every student has been assigned a locker, which you can find out where your locker is on Infinite Campus. If you have an issue with your locker, please stop by the main office. And it's important to remember, please don't share your locker with anyone and always keep your lock locked on the locker. If a device is out during the day, please understand that staff will collect it and it will be sent down to the dean's office to be held until dismissal. The easiest way, again, to avoid any problems is to keep your devices in your locker. We have also emailed you a guidance today with some frequently asked questions about this new policy. Please take a few minutes to read it to make sure you understand everything involved in this guidance. If you have any questions, just ask adults in this building. We're all here to help you. Finally, I want to leave you with this. A great school year isn't just about academics. It's also about how we treat one another. It's important to remember that we should be kind to one another. Let's be respectful and let's show each other support. Respect is a two-way street, and together we can make OHS a place where everyone feels welcomed, valued, and safe. So as we start this year, keep these things in mind. Show up, be present, be respectful, take every opportunity to learn and grow. If we do those things together, I know that this will be one of the best years yet, and I'm looking forward to it. Have a great school year, OHS.